In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your account here in pCloud. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And I want you to go to your profile icon and click the settings. Click your account because this will forward you to your account manager. Now, before we start, make sure you have downloaded any important files because once your account is deleted, everything is gone for good. Okay? Here, scroll down until you find the red icon that says delete account. Of course, you need to read the warning message carefully. It gave you an instruction on your email. All right, so let's take a look on it. Now, once you receive the instructions on how to safely delete your account, all I have to do is click the confirm account deletion. Okay? If you are so sure about it, what will happen is your account has been completely deleted here in pCloud. Okay? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to delete your account in pCloud safely and securely. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.